Hello everyone, in this quick video I'm going to show you how to change the partition style of your hard drive or SSD. So this is how to do it. I have a 1TB HDD on my laptop currently. If you want to check how to see the partition style you have, you simply search on disk and you're going to see create and format hard disk partitions. Click on it. It's going to take you to the disk management, Windows disk management. Now from here, you can just right click the disk you want to check the partition style. Click on properties. Now go to volumes. Here you're going to see the partition style, which is master boot record, which is MBR. Now I want to convert this to GPT. So this is how to do it. You have to download and install this software. This is what I use for disks. This can work with your flash drive, SSD or HDD. Double click and open the app. Select the drive you want to convert. As you can see it written below here, it is basic MBR. Now select it and click on convert. Select the first option, which is convert disks between MBR and GPT. This option can convert the disk from MBR to GPT or GPT to MBR, vice versa. So click on convert. Select the disk. Click on OK. And now what you have to do is to click on apply at the top left corner. It will ask you if you want to proceed and show you the estimated time. If you have more files on your hard drive, it's going to take time. So make sure your system is plugging to power. I don't have much files on the hard drive, so it's going to be an instant process. So this method is going to help you convert your HDD without losing your files. Now click on proceed. It's going to ask you, make sure your computer is connected to power. Click on yes. Are you sure you want to start? Click on yes. Congratulations, all operations have been completely successful. Click on OK. When we go back, you can see that it has converted to basic GPT. Minimize the app. You can go to disk management, navigate to the disk, right click and click on properties. Now when you go to volumes, you can now see that we have converted it to guide partition table, which is GPT. Like I said earlier, this software can convert MBR to GPT or GPT to MBR, vice versa. You can still go back to the app, click on convert, click on convert to MBR. We're going to do it again. Select disk 1, click on OK, click on apply, click on proceed. It's going to ask you the same questions and warn you several times. Click on yes, you want to start. And this error might pop up. Don't worry about the errors, just click on OK. Now when you go back, you see that it has now gone back to basic MBR. If we go to disk management and check, right click, click on properties and go to volume, you can see that it's now back to master boot record, which is MBR. If I go to my file explorer, you're going to see that all the files will be there. Your files won't be tampered. So that's how you convert your hard disk partition type without losing your files on Windows. That's all for this video. See you guys in the next one.